Assalamualaikum and a very good day I bid to all of the panels for this presentation. My name is Fatin Najwa and my ID number is 2020898282. I will be presenting on my final year project, which is the determination of anti-acetylcholinesterase activity of Hibiscus mutabilis Ethanolic extract. So let's go into the background of the study. Acetylcholinesterase is an enzyme that works by breaking down the acetylcholine into amino acid and antiocholine. Inhibitions of acetylcholinesterase will increase the actions of neurotransmission and slowing down the symptoms of neurodegenerative diseases. However, synthetic medication such as donepezil has been reported to cause gastrointestinal problems to the patients. Despite that, natural resources that are used as acetylcholinesterase inhibitors are said to be potent and reversible. Plants from genus Hibiscus, such as Hibiscus resonances and Hibiscus subderiva, has been reported to has anti-acetylcholinesterase activity. The problems that leads to this study is the cases of neurodegenerative diseases that has been reported to increase worldwide, and in Malaysia, dementia that are reported are predicted to increase by 0.33% from 2020 until 2050. There are treatment for this disease, but synthetic medication has been reported to cause gastrointestinal problems to the patients, and natural resources that are used as acetylcholinesterase inhibitors are said to be potent and reversible, but there are no studies conducted on anti-acetylcholinesterase activity of Hibiscus mutabilis as treatment for these neurodegenerative diseases. So the objective of this study is to determine the percentage yield of Hibiscus mutabilis Ethanolic extract. The second one is to determine the anti-acetylcholinesterase activity of Hibiscus mutabilis Ethanolic extract, and the third one is to identify the bioactive compound related to anti-acetylcholinesterase activity of Hibiscus mutabilis. For the methodology, we gathered 200 grams of calyx of Hibiscus mutabilis Ethanolic extract from Taman Botani UiTM and leave it sun dried for a week and first dry in the oven. Next, we extract the dried calyx Hibiscus mutabilis using 95% of ethanol, and further do the analysis for anti-acetylcholinesterase activity using the Elman's method. For the bioactive compound, we use the GCMS, and next for the statistical analysis, we use the one-way ANOVA. So for the result, the percentage yield obtained for Hibiscus mutabilis is 8.64%, which is in line with another study conducted by Kumar et al., which is 7.1%. However, when we look at another study conducted on Hibiscus resonances Ethanolic extract, we can see that Hibiscus resonances has a higher percentage yield compared to Hibiscus mutabilis. So we deduce that this species has a lower constituents when compared to Hibiscus resonances. Next is the anti-acetylcholinesterase activity analysis. We can see that the IC50 is 5.625 mg per milliliter, which is considered as a low potency for anti-acetylcholinesterase activity. Next is the GCMS analysis. For GCMS analysis, we choose compounds that has a quality below 80, and as you can see, there are 11 compounds that are tabulated in the result. However, from this compound, there are no flavonoids and cyanidins that can be found in calyx of Hibiscus mutabilis as compared to a study conducted on the leaf and petals of Hibiscus mutabilis. Other compounds that can be found in the calyx of Hibiscus mutabilis is neophytic neophytidine, which has anti-inflammatory effects, butylated hydroxytoluene, which has been used as Alzheimer's disease treatment when hybridized with 4-amino-2,3 polymethyl-N-quinoline. And some fatty acids that has been found is the same as previous study conducted by Holzer and Booth. So for the statistical analysis, the result it shows that there are no significant difference in percentage inhibition between the three trials that are conducted, as the p-value is above 0.05, which is we obtained that the value is 0.732. So as a conclusion, the calculated percentage yield is 8.64%. The IC50 obtained by this study was 5.64, which shows that this species exhibited a low inhibition activity for anti-acetylcholinesterase. This GCMS result indicated that there are 11 compounds that can be found in Calyx of Hibiscus mutabilis, but only BHT is found to be useful as neurodegenerative diseases and neurodegenerative treatment when hybridized with 4-amino-2,3 polymethyl-N-quinoline. As a recommendation, we recommend to use methanol instead of ethanol as a solution, because when we compare the Hibiscus rosasinensis, Hibiscus rosasinensis using methanol and ethanol, the compound that can be found in Hibiscus rosasinensis and methanol has a higher more compound as compared to when using ethanol. And the second one is to use the low concentration of extract when conducting the anti-acetylcholinesterase activity to get the proper result. And the third one is to use the whole part of the flower instead of just the calyx, because the petals of the same flowers has been proven to have more compound than what we have listed before. So this is my references. Thank you very much.